All right, what's up everyone? Quick update on the cop car engine out of the cop car for the limo. It is out finally as of today. Sorry it's been so late, but some things have came up. Cop car's over here. Sold a lot of the parts off of it, so I made all my money back on it. I only paid $400 for this car, and I bought a fuel pump for it and a radiator. Paid my guys to put it in there, so let's just say like $300 in there. So we're at $700. I sold the transmission out of the back for $800 and a bunch of other parts for $100. The catalytic converters for $100 and something. So I'm like already making my money back there. Now all we gotta do is go get the engine out of the limo and put this one in it and hope for the best. Sorry it's been taking so long. Again, February something, I don't know, but we gotta take it for Taylor's birthday party to do some birthday things with. So we got a time crunch, 1 month. Stay tuned, subscribe to follow along and see if we fail or succeed in this journey of putting a cop engine. It's a 2007 engine going in a 1995 1995 Lincoln Town Car, so not even compatible by any means. But they say if you just swap the sensors over and the intake and rewire for the coil packs, it should work somehow. Something like that. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. I'll Google that and visit that situation. But yeah, subscribe, see if we fail, see if we succeed, and plus we're gonna be doing a lot of other things along the way. All right, that's it for today.
We're hyper on it.
Your what hurts?
You put it on fucking 2 and you send her.
Send 2? 2 send 2?
Put her on 2 and send her to the moon.
That looks better built, brother. Brakes on this thing, guys. Brakes.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass. But it does run.
She's gonna be friggin' burnouts tomorrow.
Dude, that'd be so sick. Now we need coolant and hoses and fans and pulleys and shit. Belts. Subscribe.
Subscribe, brothers.
We need subscribers.
Broke brothers.
We don't need money, we need subscribers.
Yeah. Or anything you want to send to us. Shirts, hats, underwear.
We'll sponsor it all. Send the underwear with your face on it. Sean will wear it. Next video.
On my face.